They are some of the most vulnerable in society. NGOs say an estimated 14,000 people are living on the streets around Cape Town. There is currently no database of the homeless or how many are eligible for vaccine registration. While homeless shelters have been assisting those with IDs to register, many living on the streets have never had identity documents. They were either lost or confiscated.
As organisations, we're surveying all of the homeless people that we work with and amongst. Even here at the Hope Exchange, of 98 people, 59 did not have IDs. And so whilst our over 60s, they had IDs and we assisted them with vaccination registration, and they've now had the first injection. For the over 50s, there'll be some that don't have IDs. And as you come to the younger generation, many do not have IDs. And so we're very concerned about this. We asked the Minister if she would engage with the Department of Home Affairs.
Some of the homeless say their IDs often go missing because there are no safe places to keep their belongings. This prevents them from accessing much-needed government services.
Just now recently, because I don't know, because the thing is, when you move around during the day, you don't want to move with your bags and that. You see, you just put it with somebody and, that's how your stuff, it just disappears.
I have high blood, diabetes and arthritis, and I'm concerned about my own health and other people's health. They all come to me to ask what they should do. Then I advise them to go to the hospital. That's all I can say. And for this COVID, many people on the streets do not have IDs.
Provincial health authorities say it's a race against time, and as registrations opens for other age categories, homeless people must not fall through the cracks.
For me, it's not only about them getting the IDs, but for me it's about getting the jab on their arms before they ended up being exposed to the COVID. Because we hear that with this variant, it's highly transmissible. And some of them, especially now it's winter, they might be cozy and sleeping all together with the gatherings where there's a high level of the transmission. So for me, it's about, from health perspective, it's not only about the right to access care, but also that you don't leave the vulnerable behind.
The Hope Exchange says the sector has identified 10 key sites where the homeless are currently accessing services as possible vaccination sites. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.